darkness be creeping. To maintain, I be steady dipping. I measure the past, haunting when I'm up on my sleeping, looking back to see regrets when I'm told that I shouldn't. Yes, it's what made me, but that's not what I'm loving. The stress of being good tests me to break bad. Trying to keep you happy really just makes me more mad. Me trying to be put down to be brought back up again. Makes no sense to give a fuck if I don't fight for what I stand. My love is forever, our foes are for each other. That's the position if we call each other brother. We can only do so much to keep our lives at pace. Everyone plays the role while I wait for better days. People call me good for the man that I become, but some don't understand the points I'm coming from. Please don't follow, cause I don't wanna lead. I also won't follow, got too much pride in me. But stand beside me, let's walk this path together. Let's fight for the better, put that smile on a mother. I never changed, all I did was grow up. That motivation, laugh whenever you were stuck. That pain won't be forgot, but that goods will always stay. Put your hand on your chest and cover up that pain. Don't laugh now and then go cry later. Do something about it, let your heart be your savior.
The life of a gangster, you don't want that life. Like I'm telling you once, not telling you twice. If you get caught or get squashed like a mice, wanna be like me, go get the damn mic. Telling you the truth and that my soul's locked up, but would they ever hear my cry? It hurts so much, just get up and try. As days pass by, I let everything slide. Let's slip by between my two little eyes. Taking all this pain, behind the broken blind, behind the broken door, reveals another wall. The dark passage leads to the devil, but I say fuck the devil, trying to find my way out. The monster inside of me is taking my soul, take away my sins, trying to maintain my brain. I'm going insane, nothing seems the same. Memory lane that brings out pain. Everything I've done is such a shame, but keep your head up high and walk away. Start a new life, live for the present as LilJ says. All forces for each other, you and I are brothers. Fuck all the haters and hope for the better day, better way for you and your family.